My name is Kelvin Edwards. I'm a senior at Manchester High School, and I'm part of the Global Studies Academy. Every day, I strive to improve by 1%. At Manchester High School, I played for the Manchester boys golf team. I'm also a part of the GSA Academy. I'm a student leader, so I lead events and plan out things for that academy, whether it's field trips or inside school events. I'm also part of the planning committee for our school, so we plan pep rallies, different in-school events, functions, and different things like that. Outside of school, I also help with Manchester Travel Basketball. I help with the youth. I like to help kids, whether it's on the basketball court or even outside of school. Definitely can say I like giving back to my community. Somebody who grew up here, people have always helped me, build me up as a person. So I definitely would like to say that I can see myself doing that along the road in my future. I definitely could say I'm like a jack of all trades. I'm very social with a lot of people. I get along with a lot of people. It's never been my intentions to become a bad guy. I've always wanted to try to strive to be that good guy people can come to, whether it's just to talk or to learn something. I definitely feel like myself being able to express myself is something I've always been taught from a young age. It's just a way for me to cope with everything, be able to express who I am as a person, to be able to get along with everybody around me. So my swag is something that expresses myself, whether I'm in the hallway, you might see me with a new pair of shoes, or something you might not be able to wear. It's just something that I like to do to express myself. Coming out of my shell, I was a very nervous kid in middle school and elementary, but I've been social enough to where I can express myself through the way I dress. So I've always been a blessed child with my mom, giving me stuff like my clothes, putting stuff on my back, being a very fortunate kid. So I'm grateful for that. So I say my favorite pair of shoes definitely has to be my Travis Scott ones. Not because of the price of them. I'm not a very materialistic person. I definitely value the story of the fashion I wear and everything like that. But definitely the Travis Scott one is just because, it's a very expensive shoe and I got it my freshman year for Christmas. So I know my mom worked hard to get me a shoe I really love like that, It's definitely a shoe that was on my list for a long time. So getting that, is a memory I'll never forget. So my style plays a role in the person I am today just because it's a way for me to express who I am. It's able for me to communicate with people I don't even know. It just starts a conversation with others, whether it's talking about the clothes I have on or, me going up to somebody and complimenting them for what they're wearing just because I like it, It's just a way for me to express myself in the way I like. I definitely think about this every day. I hope to be remembered here one day. That's definitely been my goal all my life, to just be remembered for what I've done in my life. Hopefully I can help people along my road to where they remember me, not just for what I've done, but for what they may be able to achieve as well. So that's definitely what I would